Hey everybody, my name is Dan White and welcome to my first YouTube video ever. Last March I went to New Zealand for about 3 weeks and I decided to make a travel video for myself. Back then I didn't have any intention of ever uploading this video on YouTube. That decision came actually way later while I was editing that video. The reason why I decided to upload that video I'll tell you later. First I'll show you the video that I made and then I'll talk a bit about what I learned. Some advice for you if you want to start making your own videos and also what I aim to do in this channel. Alright, here goes the video and don't be too harsh. So that was my travel video. Not even 4 minutes out of the hours of footage that I took while traveling the other side of the world. I'm well aware that the quality of this video is far from the quality of other videos that you can find here on YouTube. But the thing is that I really enjoyed making this little project of mine. And this is one of the reasons why I created this channel. I hope that having this platform, I'll have a motivation to make videos regularly and upload them on YouTube. They don't even have to be videos about traveling, just videos about anything goes. It's a platform for me to improve, and I hope that 1 year from now I'll be able to look back to this day and see how bad I was back then and how much I have improved. The other reason why I made this channel is the following. I know that there are many people out there who also want to start filmmaking or have started filmmaking. And I intend to let you learn from my mistakes so that you don't have to repeat the mistakes that I have made. The biggest mistake I did, and I guess it's a mistake that many beginners do, is that I recorded everything. All the movement, everything I did, everything I've seen without having an idea what I actually wanted to tell with my video. At least in the beginning. After a while I started to record less and less because I was already overwhelmed by all the footage I had. And I even stopped filming things that would have actually been interesting to film. So the tip I want to give you, it's a tip that you've probably already heard about, is that you should carefully think about what you want to tell with your video and record accordingly. And also take a bit of time off every day you're traveling to search through your footage. That won't only help you cut time when you get back and start editing the video, it will also give you ideas on what you can record the next day or the following days, and so that will improve your video. If you make the mistake I did, you'll end up with so much footage that you don't really know where to start or what to do with it, and it will be a real downer. So I really think that's the most important tip for the beginner. Think about what you want to tell and record only that and not everything else. Because I'm a beginner, I cannot really give you any tips on what kind of videos to make and the techniques for it. That's something that I hope I will be able to tell in the future, but right now I'll leave it at that. So the other mistake I want to talk about is the following. I would have saved so much time in post and my footage would have been way better if I had actually spent time beforehand learning what my gear can and cannot do. So if you intend to do a project, or if you are leaving to another country and want to take a travel video, practice before you go. Learn what your camera can do, learn the settings of your camera, learn the limitations of your gear. It's true, you don't need the best gear to make good videos, but you need the right gear for the video you want to take. This will obviously also influence point one. If you know what your gear can actually do, you know what kind of story you're actually able to tell. That also works the other way around. If you know what you actually want to tell, you can buy the gear that you need to tell that story. So these are the two things that I wish I'd done before leaving for New Zealand. The thing is, I even knew some of them, but I chose to ignore them. Don't make the same mistake. I would have saved so much time, and more importantly, my video would have turned out better. I could talk way more about what I learned while processing the video, but I'll leave it at that for now. I still have a lot of footage that I took while traveling New Zealand, and I think I'll do another video with that footage and I'll talk about other things that I learned. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and maybe even learned something. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.